Hello everyone, I'm Daksh and I welcome you all to Flipkart. Today I'll review the Samsung 244-litre double-door frost-free Curd Maestro refrigerator. This is a cracker of a machine in the market with plenty of class-apart features. So let's get started to understand them better now, shall we? Samsung presents world's only frost-free refrigerator with the Curd Maestro technology. This simply means that this refrigerator not only stores and keeps your food fresh, but also has to offer much more than that. It prepares food as well. Isn't that amazing? It has the ability to make fresh curd with consistent taste in all season without compromising the freshness of the curd. This refrigerator eliminates time-consuming and tricky process of curd making into 3 easy steps, which gives you soft or thick curd in standard time. Now all you need to do is take out the container from the Curd Maestro and add curd culture in the lukewarm milk and mix it well. Now put the container back in the Curd Maestro. Press curd button on the display to select soft or thick option as per your preference. Rest for approximately 6.5 hours for soft and 7.5 hours for thick. The serve icon would be turned on as an indication that curd is ready to serve. The curd can be stored up to 3 days in the Curd Maestro. This machine further makes your life easy by its digital inverter feature. In easy words, this refrigerator can automatically adjust its speed in response to its cooling demands, which helps in less energy consumption, minimizes noise, and reduces wear and tear. So, a longer life. The Samsung Curd Maestro comes with a built-in stabilizer. This helps sustain wide voltage fluctuation between 100 to 300 volts. It is certified to work for 21 years by VDE. It also comes with a 10-year warranty. So that is one less thing for you to worry about, apart from all the cool features we have discussed. So friends, I think Samsung Curd Maestro gives you an unmatchable and ultimate food storing, and in this case, even processing experience, with plenty of advanced and user-friendly features. I give it a 2 thumbs up and suggest you to buy it right away. Also, buying this refrigerator on Flipkart is a deal you should just not miss, because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installations, detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join the Flipkart family now.